that was when they butchered a pig and you cried. I don't know if that's you.
I don't remember that. I was like really little. We're at we are at Greenfield Coffee Farm. Parkour! In Wailua, or by the North Shore.
What you eating?
Leftover scones, I think. All my cousins are here, not really. It's a nice day, it's sunny. I feel good.
Oh my gosh, this guy's totally photobombed you.
Weird people coming out of the thing.
Are we taking a selfie or what?
Yeah,
Let's do it.
Let's put it up. Let's put it up and take a picture real quick. I don't know how to work it.
Okay.
I don't know how to work it. Here, you're just doing this. I'm sorry, I'm breaking it. I don't know how to work it.
Did I do it 3 seconds? I think 3 seconds. Sorry, Lace.
Cool.
Lace is like, I'm never letting Darlene borrow my stick again.
It's not mine.
Oh, okay.
Doesn't matter. Tighten it, girlfriend.
He said what?
How many Filipinos does it take to set up a selfie stick?
1.
Like,
Okay. The smart one. Yeah.
Didn't.
Emily, you ready?
What?
oh, somebody picked up
Ready? Okay, got it.
Oh my god! She's so cute. I wish I picture this.
We did.
All right.
Gosh, I feel like such a tourist with my freaking camera. Put it down, but you're not brown. You're brown. You're like us. I know. It's all
Like
fit
a
in because
local.
I'm brown. Are you gonna go climb?
After the wedding, you can climb. 2 days before. Gosh darn. Gosh darn it.
I was really looking for places for him to like try it. 'Cause I know he wants to. I think that's where all these white spots are. Okay, there goes his leg. No sunscreen.
Got it. That was like this.
Perfect landing.
Something to wow.
I need to put this on the face. Oh, too high.
Brian. There he goes. There's his wife to be watching him. How do you feel?
Oh my gosh, he's not listening to me.
Oh, we made it. Yep.
What the hell is happening? Oh my god.
Oh, he walked down. I'll try to.
How are you gonna go back down? I'll walk.
That was cool.
That was really cool.
Ooh,
I know we're not supposed to encourage you because Elle's really mad.
Yeah. Oh my god, he's just one-handed.
Holy crap.
But he doesn't tap up already.
There's his body.
Does she like the sand?
No, she was whiny, like a big drama queen.
Oh, why? Emily, you know your parents love the
This is
beach?
part of your blood, honey.
It's in your blood to love the beach.
I love pitching. Just kidding. I think you need to overcome that fear. Because there's birds everywhere on this planet.
I'm good.
You guys, we came here for the beach. Like, this is not a thing.
There's a rock to jump off of. See?
Are
you gonna jump in there?
I am.
No, I'm gonna give a huge wedgie.
Bless you. Zen, you climb?
Yeah,
Oh. That's so cool.
Too cool for school.
You're like a foot off it. Your foot off the ground, Zen.
Jump backwards.
Is there anything back there?
Let go.
No. Oh my god.
How did she like it?
She's not happy.
Christy, you didn't like it? I'm just kidding.
Daddy forced me to stand in there.
Yeah.
And even though I was trying to climb up him and yell, you can't get it.
I didn't know that there was this walkway up here. We discovered it thanks to Brian, who was climbing this rock wall. And then there's like this pathway. Who knew? Maid of honor and bridesmaids. In Hawaii! With hats and sunglasses. Try not to burn. Someone planted taro.
Like a living entity. So when
Hey! You just climbed up the rock like no big deal?
Yep.
Yeah? Isn't that cool?
Yeah.
There's a bride. In her hat, shades, cardigan. Under the shade.
Hashtag aloha wedding. Do you feel something under you, like a tube or something? Okay, look.
So lazy.
We're looking for sunscreen for the face. Pretty sure my cheeks are like usually. I can't exert too much effort, man.
I think it was somebody. Yeah, but somebody at her house started doing it, and I was like, I was joking with her.
My family calls me Elle. Yeah, they don't call me Elle. They calls me Elle. But at work.
Okay, I'm gonna go eat. Table of one.
They have some.
Huh?
This is the fun table.
This is a fun table.
We got all the queen.
Go it.
Oh, thank you very much. Thank you.
Thanks, Sen, for lunch. Emily. Hi, baby. Hey, Lauren. I was the first one to get my nails done. These nails. Why didn't it focus? Okay, anyways, these are my nails. Oh, I hate my toes. Toesies, I win. First done. And then Lauren's in second place there. Hey, Elle. Auntie Lisa. It's a video. Video. Hi. We all got our nails did. Holy moly, why are you so tall? I put heels on today. What? What's happening? Guys, look at laser. Look, if I stand in the middle. What's wrong with me?
It's not me, it's you.
Sure. Turn the Got that. Yeah.
That and the lingerie. Showering you with smiles and wishes for a happily ever after kind of life. Congrats. Love, mom and dad. Brian's mom and dad. Oh my gosh. It's a gift card to our favorite farmer's market.
Oh, yes.
Oh my gosh, Brian should be so excited.
Oh, that's cute. All of your remarks today, man.
You're gonna have to teach me how to do that. Love from Chicago. Oh, cute. Oh,
Just kind of our photo. See? It's a video. We're gonna make memories and we're gonna look at this video in 24 hours and we're gonna think, what? They're fucking drunk.
Let me get a picture.
Look at Casey and Darlene right now. Or she on the ground. Like, kind of Casey.
Yep.
Gary,
You guys, I swear to God.
stop it.
I love you guys. We're gonna go to Zippy's, okay? Yeah, let's go to Zippy's. Get this all here.
Zippies? We're going to Zippies? We gotta go. We're going to Zippies? Looks like we're going to Zippies.
We're going
We're riding in an X5.
X5! X5 what? Rachel!
John, Johan, thank you so much.
Darlene!
Come on, Dirty. Follow me. I'll walk here.
I'm so sorry.
Hey, yo, you're high five for that! I bet you could rent that. I bet you could.
This is Rachel. I'm Rachel. This is Brian. Brian.
Okay, let me introduce you.
One more.
You are all drunk.
One more. Yes.
So I have to pee again, but I'm okay right now. Aaron dropped us off, and I don't know where he went. Oh, my camera's kind of blurry. I'm kind of not okay. Darlene, she's more than not okay. But I think we had a good night. I'm glad I kind of vlogged a little bit. Can I get a tequila?
Yeah.
Okay, cool.
We're gonna look back on this and regret every word that we said. Will won't open the door.
Will.
Sean, happy birthday.
Phone's not waking your mom.